In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own server tag on Discord. So let's get started. First, open Discord and click on your server name at the top. From the menu, select Server Boost. Scroll down until you find the server tag section. Then click Boost this server and choose Continue. To unlock the server tag feature, your server needs 3 boosts. Complete the purchase and apply all 3 boosts to your server. Once that's done, click Nice. Next, go to the Server Boosts section on the left. If this option is enabled, turn it off so you can access the server tag feature. Scroll down to Server Tag, click Enable, and turn the feature on. Now it's time to customize your tag. Choose the badge style, pick your preferred color, and click Save Changes at the bottom. Finally, click Adopt Tag on the right, and your new server tag will be applied successfully. And that's it. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.